can't believe I'm driving a scooter. I think I look like Pee Wee Herman. The things I get myself into. I need more insurance for this. Oh, okay. I don't know how to put it in. We worked on a scooter. Check this out. This customer wanted a light, an RGB light put in over here. So all that was there was just a chrome trim ring is all that was on that. So we added, that's actually a light for a Jeep. We custom made bracketry in the back to hold it right where it needs to be, proper angles, so you have a nice driving light out the front, and then they can change with an app on the phone, does Android or Apple, either one, and you can change the color. So I'll go to blue. Might be a little hard to see it on the video, but there's red, yellow, but you can change any color in the spectrum here with it. And then on the inside, we added a kick plate so your feet can't go up and hit the back of it and ruin the light itself actually. So blue, pink. It's pretty wild, you can change any color. And then we took this original trim ring, cut it out, remounted it so it gave this nice finished factory look back again. And then in between the sidecar and the actual scooter itself, we did a weather pack plug, so the connections are very simple for the customer as well to move that over. So this is not something we do every day here at Rapid Response, but when something like this comes in, we always like a challenge. We like something different, and I got to tell you, it surely is different. I don't know though, I might have to get one of these. Put some, I wonder if Whelen makes like Whelen core for this. Like when the clutch goes out or something, it changes the light patterns. I don't know, it'd be pretty cool. Anyways, we'll see ya.